Hey folks, so you see the nice logo here, the H with the wings on it? That's my channel logo. But you'll notice down in the corner, yeah, that is actually a link. If you click on that, it'll subscribe you to the channel. That's right, you'll be subscribed to the new Horton home. And I'll put up new videos each week. House is almost finished. After that, figure out something even more entertaining. If you want to comment below, give me some ideas what you think I should do. Personally, I'm thinking cooking shows. I'm a great cook. People seem to enjoy my food. I also like to do travel vlogs, maybe run around Green Cove, St. Augustine, I don't know, East Palatka. You got some ideas? Comment below, let me know. And if you click on the notification bell, then when I do put up a new video, you'll get notified. So, be seeing you.
Greetings, interwebs. Today, out shopping for flooring, for carpeting, for tile, and it's coming down to the wire now. You can see here, this is the flooring I'm going with. You can see how it looks against this painted piece of drywall. That's the house color. That's what the inside of the house is going to look like. And here you see a piece of the carpeting. It's a little more green than I wanted to go with. This other piece is a lighter color is what I wanted. However, the green stuff is the high-end super double diamond, I don't know, really awesome carpeting. They've got a roll of it that they're just trying to get rid of because it's been there a while. And so they've marked it down to the low price, same as the builder grade, which is what the lighter one is. The guy in the store said, yeah, this is 3 or 4 times better. And you can look at them side by side, feel them. The greener one is much thicker. He explains it's made with better yarn and manufacturing process, and everything is just better. It's a much longer life carpet. So even though it's slightly darker than I wanted, it'll last 3 times as long. So okay, that's what we're going with. When looked at tile, you see there's a lovely subway tile. I love subway tile. Is much more expensive than it was last year. This was 99 cents a square foot last year. It's $3 and some a square foot this year. Yeah, as you may know, building supplies have gone through the roof. You know, Keith over at Rehab Life, it's hurting him bad rehabbing all those houses out in Lake City. Lumber and everything else is just wow. So anyway, it's where we are, picking out, you know, the final pieces for the house. Exciting times. We're coming right down to the wire. I'll be in there, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks. Fingers crossed. All 10 fingers and all 12 toes.
2 hours later.
Okay, tile. You see here, I found my subway tile. We're doing that in the showers. I love subway tile, always have. But where last year it was 99 cents a square foot, you can see what it is here. The little white and black flooring tile that I had in my old bathroom, that stuff was dirt cheap when I bought it. Back when I put it in the house, you see how much it is now. That stuff was just almost throwaway stuff. It was just considered, I guess, kind of cheapo. Apparently the stores and the companies learned that people actually like it, and so now it's way expensive. Then everything got more expensive, so it's even more expensive. I'm gonna run all this by Ryan. He can sort it out. Who knows, he might know a guy. We'll see. Stay tuned.
Eventually.
Well, here's what we've got going on. As you can see, they've come into the second coat on the sheetrock. This second skim coat, I guess you call. The guy's referred to himself as the finishing guy. You see coming down the hall. And look, Cynthia, there's the attic access you were asking about. Back here in Alicia's room, walking here into my bedroom,
see. And my master bathroom. It's skim coated. I believe the next step is to come in and do a final sanding, because while this looks very, very nicely done, it's still kind of rough edges. We'll do a smooth sand. You can see on the ceiling, see some like edges and things. Sand that down, paint, and once the painting's done, that's it. Cabinets are ready to go. They're sitting in a storeroom waiting. Flooring, you saw I picked out the flooring, and of course the paint. Yeah, and then rock and roll. We're almost there.
Later.
There's a little more light in here. I can see it better. Well, greetings on this very cold morning. Heading out to the house, see what's been done. I believe they've done the ceilings. They came out yesterday and did the second skim coat, whatever you call it, on the sheetrock. I believe they're going to come out, like I said, spray the ceiling. So, see how we look. Well, greetings interwebs. As you can see, the ceiling has got its second coat. It's all done. Here, this will probably look a little better. The guys came in, they did the final coat on the walls. You can see it looks like, let's try this one. There, you see how it's kind of still wet. They were here washing the walls down, sweeping, cleaning the floors, getting everything ready for paint. The soffit guys are supposed to be here tomorrow. Put the soffits in the house. I'll get with Ryan and find out when painting is going to get done. Really not sure about that. But yeah, you can see here, it's still wet. They just left. I was here with them while they were finishing up and getting everything cleaned. Here we are in my room. This was the last one they did. You can see it's still really wet. But yeah, the floors are all cleaned up now. And as you can see, the texture on the ceiling is looking good. They got the second coat up there and leveled it off. Yeah, we are this close to being done. And oh man, I cannot wait to get to actually move into my own house and sleep on an actual bed. A friend of mine asked me, he said, what are you going to do when you get this big house all done, your daughter leaves for college, and you're there all by yourself? Like, I don't know, work, watch YouTube, wait to die, plant more palm trees. I don't know.
Day 4.
Well, good morning, interwebs. Heading out to the house again on this surprisingly cold morning. They are supposed to be coming out to do the soffits today, so hopefully I'll get there at the same time they're there and I can get some film for you. Otherwise it'll be more photos like the interior. Not sure yet on the paint, on the interior paint. I should find out something about that today and have more updates, so stand by.
1 eternity later.
So here's where we are. I waited here all day for the soffit guys to come so I could film it. I was off work during the day, so hey, I'll just hang out here and wait, film it. It'd be great. Well, that was 8 hours of just sitting here. Never came. Went and did my install job. I just came back. Still no, as you can see, still no soffits. No crew. It's 7 o'clock. Clearly they're not coming today. Hate when that happens. Don't know what else to put. Don't know what to tell you. He's seeing you.
The next day.
Well, good morning, interwebs. Here we go again. Going out to the house. Going to see about the soffit guys again. They didn't show up yesterday. Kind of bugged about that. Oh my. Okay, so here we go again. Heading back out to the house. The soffit guys never came yesterday. Don't know what was up with that. Also, while I'm out there, I need to go by the gas company. There's a new gas store opening right up the road from me. They're having their grand opening celebration, I guess, today. There's supposed to be, I don't know, prizes or something. I need to see them about getting gas for the house, so win-win, I guess. Soffit guys don't come today. Guess I'll just upload a video without soffits. We'll see. Stand by. Woo!